American tries Indian Dominos.
Are you ready for the greatest Indian Dominos review of your lifetime? Watch as I try the famous pizza burger and curry on pizza. Today we're going to try Domino's in India. I'm from America and I'm going to be eating Domino's in India for the first time ever. The last time I had Domino's back in the States was probably in New York or New Jersey. I'm not expecting very much because a lot of the pizza I've had in India is very, very bad. Although it's one of the most popular street foods and fast foods in India. Let's see how Indian Domino's stacks up against the American version. Domino's India. I remember it from my childhood in America. Chicken tikka pizza milega. Also Margherita pizza. Also you have pizza burger? Pizza burger. Okay.
Veg and non-veg?
Veg.
Classic or premium?
Premium. Also you have taco?
Taco?
Taco.
Yes, sir.
Yes, one. Veg.
One regular size always Indian chicken tikka, one regular size always Margherita, one veg premium burger pizza, and one veg taco Mexicana.
Yes, that's right.
And any cold drinks?
No, that's it.
548 rupees.
548 rupees later, my order was off to the kitchen. The master Domino's chefs elegantly prepared the pizza dough, rubbing its soft, doughy exterior in corn flour. Watch as the master chefs arrange the toppings. Looks tasty. We just ordered our pizzas. Saw them back in the kitchen, whipping out pizzas like they're some sort of pizza factory. I am so hungry right now. I can't wait to bite into that juicy, creamy mozzarella. Let's see how it compares to American pizza. Look at all these cardboard boxes full of pizza and other goodies. We've got, our burger pizza here, taco Mexicana, and our two pizzas. This exact smell. I remember that smell. Smell from childhoods of eating Domino's pizza. Must be the seasoning of the crust. Time for the pizza reveal. Oh my god. This is the chicken tikka pizza. Got mint chutney on top. That is classic Indian flavor right there. The chicken tikka mixed with the mint chutney. Classic Domino's crust, crispy onions. My first bite of Indian Dominos. That is actually amazing pizza. That is one of the best Indian pizzas I've ever had. This baby's got makhani sauce. That means it has curry as the sauce. An Indian-American fusion of my dreams. The Indian chicken tikka pizza at Domino's. Now this is what you've been waiting for. It's the pizza burger. Let's open this baby up. Oh my pizza burger. Oh my god, it has paneer inside. It's got paneer and spicy veg up in there. Oh my, that is so good. It's actually better than I expected for a pizza burger. It's a delicious gooey fusion of crispy bun and melty cheese. Next up is the taco Mexicana. Hold up, tacos at Domino's Pizza? Let's open this baby up. Oh, it doesn't look like a real taco. It's like a flaky croissant or crepe shell. I'm very confused by that. It has a veggie patty inside. Let's do it. This does not taste Mexican, even 1%. It tastes kind of like a croissant dough. Maybe Mexican inspired, as it is roughly the shape of a taco. Now this is the classic Margherita cheese pizza. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that bubbly, flaky crust, just with the right level of grease. Oh, that looks amazing. Now this is the measure of any pizza place in the entire world. Can they make good cheese pizza? I have to say, I don't like this pizza as much. It's a little bit more bland. The cheese and the sauce are not as flavorful as I would like, but the crust does have a nice crispiness. So that was Domino's India. What a satisfying, cheesy meal that was. I'm totally full of grease. Time to head home. So that was Indian Dominos. I'm glad I finally know what it's like here in India. I found it to be better than most Indian pizzas I've had. It had a nice, crispy crust. My favorite pizza was the chicken tikka pizza. It had a nice, green mint chutney on top, and it had a curry base instead of a regular pizza sauce. As for the negatives, it's not a good idea to eat very often, as it's not very healthy food. The taco was a bit of a fail. It tasted more like some sort of Indian veg patty and not really like Mexican food at all. Pizza burger, it was a delicious fusion of cuisines, taking influence from Italian, American, and Indian food all at once. My least favorite thing I tried was the Margherita cheese pizza. It was very bland. Overall, I'm super glad I had a chance to try Indian Dominos. Sponsor me, please. Sponsor me, please. Sponsor me, please. Domino's, sponsor me, please. Domino's, sponsor me, please. Domino's, sponsor me.